Hiya folks, tyre inflator, battery jump booster pack, pretty much essential things that you probably need if you're doing a lot of travelling or you go out driving in your car, but they are a bit bulky, two separate items until now. We've got it all combined into one unit in this combined 4,000 amp jump starter pack and tyre inflator and USB booster pack, whatever you want to call it, in one go. Let's take a look at this. Right, okay, so let's just put this to the test because this Vauxhall Signum here, 2.2 litre, I think this one is. We've had the headlights on, the battery's actually totally flat now, so let's see if this thing will jump start a car. It should do, and we'll also try the tyre inflator out as well. Right, so let's get us inside this car. Right, just show you that the battery in this one is totally flat. Right, so we've got the key in the ignition. Ignition lights on there, as you can see on the panel. Turn. Nothing, as you can see there, look. Right, definitely flat. Pull that out. Stop that dong in. Let's get that bonnet open. Right, come round here. Let's get that up in the air. There we go. Just uncover our battery. And we'll get our pack here. Now, unlike the other units which I've got, the other units have a button you have to press on the side of them, like a boost battery thing. You haven't got to do any of that with this, so let's just plug this on. Right, so positive to positive, and negative to negative, that's the positive. And again, it's got very good substantial clips on this as well. Negative to negative. Right, so let's leave that like that. Right, let's see if it will start. I'll leave you there and I'll go into the car and jump start it. Okay, we know it's flat. There we go. Happy days. Well, that started no problem at all, folks. I'll turn it off and try it again. Okay, that's off. Ignition on. It's a diesel. I'll just let the diesel light go out. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. Happy days. I'm happy with that. Well, there you go, folks. It does exactly what it says on the tin, and it jump started that 2.2 litre diesel engine, no problems whatsoever. So I'll just disconnect that from the battery, and we'll take them leads out, and let's check the tyre inflator side of this thing.